Hi viewers, welcome to Satavahana Institute. In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve the problems related profit and loss by using fractional method. Okay, here is the first question. Person A sold an article to person B with 20% profit. B spent 400 rupees on that article and sold it to C with 12.5% profit. If C purchased that article with 4,500 rupees, then find the cost price of that article. Here, as per the question, A sold an article to B. A sold an article to B with 20%. That means if A purchased that article with 100%, then selling price of that article becomes 120% because here profit is 20%. ఇది మనము ఎవరమైనా చెప్పగలుగుతాం. ఓకే, బట్ we have to write as per the fractions. Here 20% fraction is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Here 1 by 5 means 20% meaning is equal to 20 by 100. Here 100 represents 5 and 1 represents 20. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే 100 ప్లేస్లో మనం 5 యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, 20 ప్లేస్లో 1 యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. దేర్ఫోర్ ఇఫ్ A purchased that article with 5 parts, that means with 100%, and sold to B with 20%, that means extra 1 part is there. Okay, extra 1 part is there because 100 plus 20 or 5 plus 1, that becomes 6. A is to B will become 5 is to 6, and after that B spent 400 rupees on that article, that means plus 400. Okay, plus 400, and after this B sold the same article to C. B sold the same article to C. B sold the same article to C with 12.5% profit. 12.5% profit. ఇక్కడ 12.5% యొక్క ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎంత అంటే 1/8 because 12.5 by 100 is equal to 1/8. 12.5 1 is 12.5, 12.5 8 is 1/8. Here 100% represents 8 parts, 12.5% represents 1 part. Therefore మనం 100 plus 12.5 అయినా రాయొచ్చు, లేదా సేమ్ దీని ప్లేస్లోనే 8 plus 1 అయినా రాయొచ్చు. Therefore here cost price of B after spending 400, cost price of B is equal to 8 parts and profit is 1 part. Therefore 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And in this question, cost price of C purchased the article with 4,500. That means cost price of C is 4,500. That means 9 parts value becomes 4,500. Therefore here 9 into 5 is equal to 9 parts value 4,500 means 9 into 9 5 is 45 0 0. 9 into 500 becomes 4,500. Because this is in the ratio format, we have to multiply 8 also with 500 because ratio means comparison of two equal quantities. Therefore 9 into 5 is equal to 4,500, 8 into 500 is equal to 4,000. Okay, up to this point it is very clear, but in this 4,000 already 400 rupees is including because B spent 400 rupees on repair. Okay, right. Therefore excluding this 400, if we go backward direction, 4,000 minus 400. Okay na, 4,000 minus 400 ఎందుకంటే 400 ఖర్చు చేస్తే 4,000, ఒకవేళ 400 ఖర్చు చేయకపోతే 400 minus 4,000 minus 400 becomes 3,600. Here 6 parts value becomes 3,600 rupees. That means 6 6 36 0 0 అంటే 1 part value మనకి ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ 600 రూపాయలు అవుతుంది. Therefore ఇది రేషియో కాబట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా ఇక్కడ 600తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇక్కడ కూడా 600తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. Therefore 5 into 600 is equal to 3,000 rupees. 5 into 600 is equal to 3,000 rupees. Therefore cost price of that article is 3,000 rupees. Cost price of that article is 3,000 rupees. ఏం లేదు, మనం ఇది బ్యాక్వర్డ్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ నుంచి రావాలి. ఫైనల్గా 9 parts value is equal to 4,500. Therefore 9 into 5 because it is ratio 8 also multiplied with 500, therefore 8 into 500 is equal to 4000. ఈ 4000 లో ఆల్రెడీ 400 రిపేర్కి ఖర్చు పెట్టాం, therefore మనకి వెనక్కి వచ్చేస్తే 4000 minus 400 is equal to 3600, therefore 6 into 600, therefore 5 into 600 is equal to 3000. Here cost price of that article is 3000 rupees. Okay, and here is the second question. Person A sold an article to B with 25% and B spent 500 rupees on that article and sold it to C with 20% profit, and C spent 2000 rupees on that same article and sold it to D with 12.5% profit. If D purchased that article with 6300 rupees, then find the cost price of that article. Right, here same as it is as previous question. Here A sold an article to B, A sold an article to B with 25% profit and B spent 500 rupees on that article, and B sold the same article to C with 20% profit, and C spent 2000 rupees on the same article and sold it to D. C sold it to D with 12.5% profit, 12.5% profit, and D's cost price అంటే D ఎంతకి పర్చేజ్ చేశాడని ఇచ్చాడు, దాన్ని మనకి 6000 రూపీస్కి 6300 రూపీస్కి పర్చేజ్ చేశాడు అని ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ. Therefore here 25% meaning is 1/4. Here 100% value is equal to 4 parts. 100% value is equal to 4 parts. Therefore instead of 100 I will write 4, and ఇక్కడ 25% లాభం అన్నాడు, బట్ హియర్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 25, 100 plus 25 is equal to 125 or 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And after this B spent 500 rupees and sold it to C with 20% profit. 20% meaning is 1/5, 1/5. Here instead of 100 I will write 5, and 100 plus 20 or else 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And after this C spent 2000 rupees on the same article and sold it to D with 12.5% profit. 12.5% meaning is 1/8, 12.5% meaning is 1/8. Therefore instead of 100 I will write 8, and if 100 plus 112.5 అన్నా ఒకటే, 8 plus 1 అన్నా ఒకటే, therefore 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 9 parts value is equal to 6300 rupees. Therefore 9 into 7 ja 63, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay, here 9 into 700, therefore 8 into 700, 8 into 700, therefore that will become 5600 rupees. In this 5600 rupees already 2000 rupees is spent for the repair, therefore 5600 minus 2000, ఈ 5600 రూపాయల్లో 2000 ఖర్చు పెట్టేసినాం, అంటే ఒకవేళ ఖర్చు పెట్టకపోతే మనకి 5600 అయ్యేది కాదు కదా. therefore 5600 minus 2000 is equal to 3600, 3600. Therefore 6 6 are 36, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Therefore 5 into 600 becomes 3000 rupees. 5 into 600 becomes 3000 rupees. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ 3000 రూపీస్లో 500 రూపీస్ ఆల్రెడీ రిపేర్ కోసం ఖర్చు పెట్టేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, therefore 3000 minus 500 that is equal to 2500. Therefore here 5 into 500 is equal to 2500. 5 parts value 2500 అంటే ఒక పార్ట్ వాల్యూ 500 అనమాట. Therefore 4 into 500 is equal to 2000 rupees. Okay, 4 into 500 is equal to 2000 rupees. రైట్, ఈ విధంగా ఫ్రాక్షన్ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఈజీగా రావడం జరుగుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.